As fish cannot do without water, so man cannot do without God. And what will make us come out of God is iniquity. So the sin of Adam pulled us out of the presence of God, and we died. That's what the Bible. The coming of Jesus became necessary for the restoration of the rights, the privileges, and the responsibility of human beings. The matter of good news, we understand the fact that it is given for the emancipation of humanity. That's the sense of the gospel. As many as receive him, he gave power to become sons of God, even to them that believe in his name. In other words, Jesus became the only access for restoration, for becoming sons of God again. Since Adam, this very simple word and verse of scripture is the foundation of our reconciliation and is the basis of our celebration, that Jesus came to make all of us children of God.